First load of the day. Let's get it, sling some mud. Can't forget to wash her down now. Keep her clean, keep her clean. There ain't nothing better than seeing a pump for your first job in the morning, boys. Pump back to back, can't beat it, boys. Easy money. Load number 3. Let's get it. Pumps couldn't last forever. Got a little driveway now. Tailgate. We have a part 3 to the part 3. Didn't get to film the part 2. I have no idea where I'm gonna wash out there. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, that last one took about 3 hours with 3 different stops. And it about aggravated every one of my nerves I have. All right, let's go get the 4th one. Load number 4 on the way. Didn't get to film it for you boys, but there's another pump for the 4th. Load number 5. You know how to come and finish my boys off for the day. A little pump action. This is what we call that final wash up. End of the day, you gotta clean the tank, scrub her up, get ready for tomorrow. Now I just gotta knock this paperwork out and home free home. And that's what it looks like to be a mixer driver. Last one on the yard. Smooth little 13 hours a day. There she is. Oh, pretty girl.